Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to my YouTube channel Auto Review. Please like, share and subscribe. Today, we're diving deep into the 2025 Chrysler 300C, a true American muscle sedan that brings power, luxury, and classic styling together in one package. The Chrysler 300 has been an icon for decades, and with this final iteration of the 300C, Chrysler is making sure it goes out with a bang. From its aggressive exterior design to its high-performance V8 engine, this is a car that demands attention. Let's break it all down, starting with the exterior. At first glance, the 2025 Chrysler 300C retains its bold and boxy stance, a signature look that has defined this model for years. However, there are some key refinements that set this model apart. The front grille is blacked out with a new honeycomb pattern, featuring the Chrysler wing badge sitting proudly in the center. The LED headlights are now slimmer and more modern, giving the front end a more aggressive yet refined look. The lower bumper features larger air intakes, hinting at the power lurking beneath the hood. Moving to the side profile, the 300C rides on massive 20-inch forged aluminum wheels wrapped in performance tires, giving it an athletic stance. Blacked-out window trims and gloss black side mirrors further enhance its sporty appeal. Around the back, you'll find smoked LED taillights and a subtle lip spoiler on the trunk, while a quad exhaust setup lets you know this car means business. The overall design blends classic American muscle with modern sophistication, making the 300C a head-turner wherever it goes. Stepping inside, the 2025 Chrysler 300C continues to impress with a luxurious yet driver-focused interior. As soon as you open the door, you're greeted by premium leather upholstery with contrast stitching and embossed 300C logos on the seats. The seats themselves are heavily bolstered for support yet remain plush enough for long road trips. The dashboard is wrapped in soft touch materials, and there are carbon fiber trim accents that add a sporty touch. The digital instrument cluster is fully customizable, giving you access to all the performance metrics you need. In the center, a massive 12.3-inch infotainment touchscreen runs Chrysler's latest Uconnect system, offering wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and built-in navigation. Below that, you have physical climate control buttons for easy access, and a premium 19-speaker Harman Kardon audio system ensures an immersive listening experience. Rear passengers aren't left out either, with heated and ventilated seats, plenty of legroom, and even USB-C charging ports to keep devices powered up. Overall, the interior balances comfort, technology, and performance-oriented details, making it an excellent place to be. Now, let's talk about the real star of the show, the performance. Under the hood, the 2025 Chrysler 300C packs a 6.4-liter HEMI V8 engine, producing a monstrous 485 horsepower and 475 pound-feet of torque. This power is sent to the rear wheels through an 8-speed automatic transmission, allowing the 300C to launch from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 4.3 seconds. The acceleration is brutal, and the exhaust note is pure American muscle, delivering a deep growl that gets even louder in sport mode. The adaptive suspension system helps keep the ride smooth while stiffening up when needed for spirited driving. The steering is precise, and the Brembo high-performance brakes provide excellent stopping power. This isn't just a straight-line muscle car, it can handle corners with surprising agility, making it a well-rounded performance sedan. Fuel economy isn't its strong suit, but if you're buying a 300C, you're not looking for efficiency, you're looking for raw power and an exhilarating driving experience. As for pricing, the 2025 Chrysler 300C starts at around $55,000, which is a great deal considering the performance and luxury it offers. However, with additional options like a panoramic sunroof, upgraded interior materials, and driver assist packages, the price can climb closer to $60,000. For those looking to own a piece of Chrysler's muscle sedan legacy, this price tag is well worth it. Considering this is a limited production model, availability might be scarce, so if you want one, you'll have to act fast. The 2025 Chrysler 300C is a fitting send-off for this legendary sedan. It stays true to its muscle car roots while incorporating modern tech and comfort features that make it a joy to drive every day. Whether you're looking for a stylish cruiser or a powerful performance sedan, the 300C delivers on all fronts. If you're in the market for a full-size American sedan with V8 power, this is one of the best, and possibly last, opportunities to get one. That wraps up our review of the 2025 Chrysler 300C. What are your thoughts on this high-performance beast? Would you consider buying one, or are you holding out for something else? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an auto review video. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.